My topic is steel. What is steel? Steel is an alloy of iron and carbon. Carbon occur in steel in the form of the carbide. Carbide increase the strength and hardness of the material. So nowadays, most of the steel are manufactured in the form of the plain carbon. The plain carbon have some amount of the carbon percentage, but not more than 0.3 silicon and 0. and 1.5% manganese. So how to produce the steel? Steel are produced with the help of a different type of the process. Number one is cementation. Process. Number two is crucible process. Number three is Bessemer process. Number four is open heart process. Number fifth is LD process. Number six is duplex process. Number seven is electrical furnace process. These are the process are used to manufacturing the steel. Steel are classified generally depends upon the carbon content. Number one is that steel contain the carbon 0.05 to 0.12% carbon content. Number two is low carbon steel 0.1 to 0.40% carbon content. Number three is medium carbon steel contain the carbon content 0.4 to 0.8%. Number four is high carbon steel. High carbon steel is contain the carbon content 0.8 to 1.2% carbon content. The steel is also classified according to the degree of deoxidization. Number one is kiln steel. Number two is rimmed steel. Number three is semi kiln steel or balance steel. Kiln steel, it is completely deoxidized. Due to the deoxidize, after the solidification, the metal have no any gases and have no any billow holes, porosities. So the kiln steel are generally used for make the different type of the components. A kiln steel contain the 0.2 0% carbon. Kiln steel is represented by the capital K. Rimmed steel, it is partially deoxidized. Due to the partially deoxidized, the surface of the component is very finishing and have a good close dimension of the workpiece. So the rimmed steel are generally used for deep drawing, spinning and rolling purpose. Rimmed steel is also represented by the capital R symbol. Semi-kiln steel or balanced steel. This steel is the combination of the kiln steel and rimmed steel. This semi-kiln steel contains the carbon percentage 0.15 to 0.20% carbon. So semi-kiln steel are generally used for structure steel. There is no any symbol of this steel. Indian standard designation of the steel. Number 1 is mechanically. Number 2 is chemically. How to explain the mechanically? For example, you can take FEE 220, FEE 320, FEE 640. What is the meaning of this 220? This metal have the T20 yield strength. This number is 320 yield strength. This metal have the 640 yield strength. The number is increasing in this order. So the elongation percentage 26%, 15%, 8%. These numbers indicate the metal have a good ductility. This metal is very soft. This elongation percentage indicate. This elongation percentage indicate this metal have low ductility, hardness and brittle. This metal are generally used for making the spring rockers, connecting rods and different type of the automobile parts. This metal is indicate that this percentage is indicate the soft metal. This soft metal are generally used for making the agricultural parts, household things and practical works and different type of the other parts. These are the mechanically Indian standard designation of the steel. So this is the chemically designation of the steel. For example, you can take it 15C8, 20C8. What is the meaning of 15 number? This number is divided into two parts. Zero 0.10 plus 0.20 divided by 2, 0.15. 0.15, it is the mean of this. So the 0.15 mean carbon contact in this material. What is the meaning of 8? It is also divided by in two parts. 60 plus 0.90 divided by 2, 1.50 divided 2, 0.75. You will take the round of 0.8. So 0.8% average, it involves this material, 0.8 manganese in this metal. So take this second number, take the second number example. So it means that 20. 20 means 0.15, 0.25 divided by 2, 40 to 0.20. 0.20, this metal had the 0.20 average carbon contact in this metal. So same thing is, you also take the 0.6, 0.9 divided by 2, 0.75. So take the round figure 0.80. So 0.80 means this metal have a 0.8 average percent of the manganese. So I think my lecture you will be like. Thank you very much.